Today would be the last class. I suppose all the syllabus is finished. We went through all the slide and all the exercises. Maybe today I can give you some what is coming out for your final. Okay. Question 1 is special probability distribution. Question 2 is sampling distribution. Question 3 is simple linear regression. Question 4 is Question 4 is estimation and hypothesis testing. And question 5 is ANOVA. So prepare yourself by doing all these things. I would like to do one exercise. I want to show you something here. Now let's say, so these are the topics coming on for your final, and prepare yourself. Let's say there's a question here. And this question is, this is a density function, a PDF. This is a PDF, probability density function. The question is, show that this one. So if the question asks you to show that, okay, show that this one, all you have to do is, basically they already give you the answer. Okay, they already give you the answer. This is the answer, but you have to compute and get this answer. Show that this is the answer you get. So basically what you have to do, you start from here. So how we do this? 1/3, 1/2. Of course, let's say b is now 2. go all the way to, okay, you multiply in, you put inside here. So if you compute this, your answer it will be 1724. Okay, right here it is shown. So this is how you have to answer if the question asks you to show that this is the thing. Basically they already give you the answer, this is the answer, but you have to show the working and get the answer. Okay. Wait. Let's say they give you this so they ask you to show to plus minus 2, show that plus minus 2. So how you will do this is also probability distribution function, this discrete. So normally if we want to do this, we know that total probability is equal to 1. So total probability is equal to 1, you put negative k inside here. and then if you do this, as I told you, they already give you the answer is plus minus 2. So all the you have to do is you have to do computation and then show me that it is plus minus 2. So you can write here it is shown. So something like this, when you have the word show, then you have to do like this. Okay. Other than that, you can also find the word find, determine, compute, all these things. That is all normal, normal calculation. Well, today there's a thing I would like to share with you. Is there any question from you all? So since this is the last class, any request or question from you all? Anything you want me to do? If you have anything, I'll give you some time. You may ask me. Did you guys receive the timetable? When is the exam, final exam? Because I yet to see. Have you guys received any timetable? When is the exam? No? February 13th. Is it morning or evening? What time?
The morning.
9 to 12 p.m. morning. All right. Anyway, if you have any question later on, you can also ask me. Try to do all the tutorial. Okay. And good luck in your final. Make sure you do all the tutorial and see how it goes. If any question, you may ask me later. All right. That's all for today. It's a very short class. Forgive me if I did some mistake, human error or something like that during my teaching. Most probably I will see you again next semester, I guess. Next semester I think I'm teaching you for the first semester. Next semester maybe MS2. Okay. So till then, take care and bye bye. Any question you may ask me later also in the WhatsApp. Okay. That's all for today. Can I ask about ANOVA how to find SD? Who's this? Tan Ching Yang. You may use standard deviation. You may use this formula. You know standard deviation? You may use this formula, or there's another formula also. That one also you can use as either one you can use if you want. S square is I think this is the one. Let me double check. Yeah, You may use either one. Okay, you may use either one. The answer won't deviate much. Okay, make sure when you do the working, okay, final answer only you take 2 decimal places. Apart from final answer, any other value you want to take for computation, make sure you take for 4 decimal places, so the answer won't deviate much. That is my advice for you all. Right. Any other questions? Never mind. How many of you? 62. All right. I think Li Tan Te Ching Yan asked me question. Any other question? Maybe you go through the tutorial or anything come across your mind during this study week or before the exam. Don't ask me when exam is 13 February. Don't ask me on 12 February. No point. Okay, at least 13 February is 13 February. 13 February is, you have almost 1 month. More than 1 month is here. You have ample of time to practice and ample of time to ask me any question. Don't ask me, at least ask me 1 week before the least. Yeah? The latest would be by 5 February, or you can also 9 by 10 of February. Don't ask me 12th of February, because this happen every semester. Too many questions last minute, I cannot answer all. Well, I'll try my best to answer, but you want me to, some student asked me to teach certain topic on 12th. Tomorrow is the test exam, they want me to teach today. That is impossible. Okay, you should do all these things much more earlier. In fact, you have to do tutorial, not asking me to teach how to do this. I can guide you to do tutorial. All right, with that, that's all for today. If anything, you may ask me later, and I'll see you all, maybe, most probably, I don't know, most probably I'll see you all next semester. Hopefully all of you are staying healthy lifestyle. With that, thank you, and I'll see you all next week. Good luck in your final. Bye bye.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.